Hi, my name is Charlie Brazell. I'm 74 years old. I just recently relocated to Port Orange, Florida. I've been retired 13 years. The first 6 or 7 years, I was pretty active. The last 5 or 6 years, my life became very sedentary. And I sit in my chair and I watch TV. In the process of making this move, I realized that I hadn't been exercising and I injured my back. It was rather severe. I thought my only options would be surgery or injections. I went to my orthopedic and he scheduled an MRI and he suggested I go to physical therapy. What I had done, the radiologist says, I had allowed L5, my lumbar, to slide forward due to a weak core muscle. So I elected to go to a chiropractor for 3 weeks with no relief. I could barely get out of my car and go into the office. Then I decided to go and seek physical therapy. I went online, I found a physical therapist who was close to my home, and I called and set up an evaluation with Dr. Tree at ActiveFit Physical Therapy in Port Orange. I came in after an evaluation. She convinced me that she could help me. So I scheduled appointments. After, my pain level at that time was a solid 10. I could barely walk in here. And after about 2 to 3 weeks, my pain level started going down. And after a month, I was totally pain-free. Now, initially, Dr. Tree would teach me how to stretch, and then she would manipulate the muscles and the deep tissue muscles that were hurting me and use a laser treatment on that area, and I had outstanding results. I can now, she has moved me into the exercise program. I'm on the machines. I can do everyday chores now. I can walk to the post office. I can go back to enjoying life. You know, I like to fish and ride my boat. These are things I can do now that I couldn't do 2 months ago. Dr. Tree not only treats your physical problems, but when you're in severe pain, psychologically you're not functioning very well. She helped encourage me to continue and that everything was going to be okay. And she helped design a diet, gave me a lot of input as to why my core was weak and what I needed to do, what I needed to lose weight. I've lost about 9 to 10 pounds. But most of all, she encouraged me. And in dealing with all of this, I've learned to understand that Dr. Tree truly cares for her patients. She treats you from the top of your head to the bottom of your feet. Your diet, she encourages you, and I can't say enough good things about Dr. Tree. Not only is she a PT, but she is a DPT, which means she's a doctor of physical therapy. And I just can't say enough about her. And I recommend her to anyone out there who has given up and can't do the daily chores and the daily tasks, that they think that the only options are knives or injections. You need to schedule an appointment, come see Dr. Tree.
Perfect.